Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to get a Testflight invitation code. Want to test early versions of apps before they are released? That's where Testflight comes in. Here's how you can get a Testflight invitation code to start testing apps today. Testflight is an app by Apple that lets developers share beta versions of their apps with testers. It's a great way to try new features before they go public, and you can be one of the testers. To access a beta app, you need an invitation code or a public Testflight link from the developers. Here's how to get one. First, install the Testflight. Then check the developer's website or social media. Many share public invite links. Then join beta testing communities on platforms like Reddit, Discord, or Twitter. Sign up for official beta programs. Some apps like WhatsApp or YouTube have beta sign up directly through their websites. If you know the app developer, you can request private invite directly. Once you have a link or code, just tap it, install the app via Testflight, and start testing. That's it. You are now a beta tester. Want more tech tips? Like and subscribe for more latest updates.